Maybe you've just done a migration to SharePoint Online and found that you need to make an adjustment in each of your hundreds of documents, but this will take ages if you do it manually. If you want a solution that can make all these changes and do it easily for you, then this video is for you. The first thing you need is something called Power Automate Desktop. This is an installable solution. If you pop a message in the comments to say install, we'll send you a link to our blog post which will show you all the steps to get this. I've got a flow here called the Word Document Property Automation. First of all, what it does is it looks in a local folder. This is a OneDrive folder that I've synchronized to SharePoint. It gathers all the files that I've got in that folder that have a docx extension. Effectively then I've got a library of documents stored in memory. I then go through and get some file name information about each of the files one by one. I take a copy just to make sure that any changes I make are in a new version just in case there is a problem with the network. An important aspect of Power Automate Desktop are these things called waits. Whenever you're interacting with your desktop processes, there can be lags and slower performance depending on your device, so always use waits if you're using this kind of solution. We then open up Word using this action here, Run Application. You can point it at any application, and what I'm doing is I'm giving it the current information about the file that I'm working on in this loop. Again, I have a wait. And these items here, effectively, what I do is I record the screen when I'm performing manual actions with Word, and it intercepts those actions into a language that I can then add as actions in my flow. So here I'm clicking in a word header. I'm then sending some keystrokes to select all and deleting an item from that Word document. I'm then inserting something called a quick part, which is a document property. And then again, using some window recordings to manipulate the pieces that I would otherwise do manually. Again, waiting, then flipping to the save screens, putting the name of the file in, again waiting, clicking save, wait while my Word document saves, and this is crucial for automations at scale, terminating the Word application. I then go to the end and loop again. So I'm going to press run and show you what this looks like. This is sped up. You can run this unattended on your desktop because the performance will depend upon the machine that this is running on. You can also trigger it from a Cloudflow as well. So really you can just set these processes up, initiate them on a schedule, for example, and let it go. And what you're seeing on screen here is some automatic interactions for tasks that ordinarily I might manually take myself. But I could have this running on a laptop, I could have it running unattended on a virtual machine somewhere, and it's just churning through this work for me. In this case, I'm going to do one document, cycle through to show you open the next, and that's all we need to do.